Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Hi guys. Today we have this motor welding machine, and the problem with this is OC. You can see we connected to the power supply and it is showing us OC. This means there is no output coming out to this inverter welding machine. Let's open and fix this problem. As I told my previous videos, first we check the bottom plate, we select the meter at diode position, and now we connect here. You can see the bottom plate is just fine. Now we open the machine and see what's inside. Here we open the machine and we select the meter to diode position, and now we just check which part is faulty or which MOSFET is faulty. Now we just position our meter at diode position, and the negative side is here and positive. You can see this section is showing us faulty, and the next one is okay. At the other side you will see here is okay, and the other one is showing faulty. It means these three MOSFET, which one or two will be the faulty, or three, let's after we check I can explain. And this section there is three MOSFET, or one of the one will be the faulty, or two or three, and these two sections are just fine. Before I check this, I discharge capacitor through these lead with the help of inductor or resistor. So now we open and we see which MOSFET is faulty one. I show you here. Now we are going to remove one by one. Actually it is a little bit difficult to check wire is connected, which one is faulty. So it is my method to remove this MOSFET easily. Hit first two lugs and then the other one, which is very easily coming out. You can see. You can see I remove these three, and let's check out which one of this will be the faulty. Actually before we check, we make them short equally, because if there is an equals or operated MOSFET, that one will be. So here you can see I put three together. Now we select the meter to diode position, and here I check. This is showing us okay. Now I will put one pulse to gate, and it is showing us short, and this MOSFET is okay. Now here the second one, you can see it's both leg is showing short circuited. This means this is the faulty one. And now the third one, it is showing short because I put first to the gate. Again I short this one, and now you will see this is okay. And now I put one pulse to gate. Here you can see this means this is the faulty one. We will remove this, and now let's check another side. As I told, this three was the damage. We will remove these three and check which one was the faulty. After we remove this one and check which one was the faulty, we will check the driver card again. If this showing us the same reading. It means there is no diode or resistance the damage. So let's remove this. You can use the desoldering pump, it's up to you. Oh, one is fell down. So it's up to you how to remove. I thought this one was easy. So now we check again. Now before we check, we will short circuit it again. There's 3 MOSFET. So again we select our meter to diode position. As you know, we already short circuited. Here you can see this is short circuit showing at the both end. It means this is faulty. Let's check this one. Now we put one pulse here and you can see it is showing as short. This means this is okay. The next one, this showing us the reading the same. Now we will put one pulse like this and this is good one. This one is the image one. We will remove and we will replace. This means we have these MOSFET and these two MOSFET are just fine. What we need to do is just add 2 more new, and this number is 23 and 50. So we will replace those with the new one. So again I put and I show you. Before install, clean these lugs like this and make it straight like this. It is better. If there is something, you can remove by cutter. So I fix that and I show you. Here I replace those 3 and now we will check the resistance value also for the gate resistance. Now you can see 7.2 7. It is necessary to check these gate resistance. If the one will be the faulty, again will come the same damage. Now let's make another side. Now we will replace this side also. I replace and I show you. Actually I put again as I remove like this. It saved little time for me. This is not necessary, you do the same way. Here, now you can see I'll replace those 2 also to save the time. Now you can see I replace. After you replace those, make it stronger like this way from the both end, this side and top side also. The gate side, no need to put more solder. And the same thing, you can see our meter is on resistance mode, so check these three resistance. You can see this showing us the value. So again we install this. Now we will check the gate side, because we reinstall all. Here you can see 725, 726. This means this section has no volt. Let's check the other one. 723. This means this has no faulty. It is up to you. Make sure to this section, if there is, most of the time these diodes zener and this one resistance was damaged. Let's check another one. So replace those or replace that card. So our machine is now, I hope, in okay condition. So let's put the supply and check if there is any OC or no. I hope you guys like my video, because I made this with a little bit of details. So my previous videos are not more detailed. In this video I hope you learn a lot of things to check the card and MOSFET, and how to check the MOSFET, and the other things. Also subscribe my channel. So now I again put the supply and first in series. Now we replace those inverter replacing. Also I think OC is showing, so let's find out what's another problem. Here you can see the OC is coming again, and the OC coming again. What we replaced, I checked again, that is fine. Now we just remove this connector for frequency transformer, and now we put again to the supply, and now you can see the OC is gone. This means the bottom card has the frequency transformer. That one is one of the one will be damaged. I'll make another video on this, so you can see on my channel and the videos about OC transformer, how to replace and how to check. Hope you guys like. Now thank you.